We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding.
Service and care seems to be their highest priority. They always answer the phone. It seems like less than 4 rings. The coursework was very thorough with classes available if you still feel you need more education in real estate. Every person I talked to was fully knowledgeable and informed me about all the courses as if they were my designated career counselor. They go the extra mile for military, whether active duty or veteran as well. The attitude of everyone there truly is becoming of true professionalism. I'll definitely be coming back for my continuing it.
And we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority, and we'll work very hard to get it. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.